The Chocolate Study, performed by Heather Barrett at Damon College. The problem: nursing school is stressful. Nurses need to establish ways to deal with stress. Eating chocolate can lead to stress reduction. The purpose: by comparing two brands of chocolate, researchers can help identify which chocolate will aid in stress reduction. Research questions were built quantitatively and qualitatively. The quantitative question was among RN to BSN nursing students, which chocolate is preferred? The qualitative question was, what is the lived experience among those RN to BSN students of chocolate A and chocolate B? The participant was a 39-year-old female, RN to BSN student with no known allergies. The quantitative method used the Likert scale questionnaire. It was rated from 1 to 5, 1 being very bad, 5 being excellent. The categories were texture, moistness, flavor, appearance, and overall rating of the chocolate. The qualitative method used the participant was asked to describe about your experience of eating, tasting the chocolate, and how was the experience of eating, tasting chocolate feel to you? The quantitative data results showed that chocolate B was preferred over chocolate A. Chocolate B received 5 in all 5 categories, where chocolate A got 3s in texture and moisture, which was the neutral score, and 4s in flavor, appearance, and overall, which was a good score. Qualitatively, chocolate A, the participant said it was flavorful and fulfilled sweet craving, but was not creamy and the texture was chalky. She said it was good, she would eat it again, but not the best chocolate she ever had. Chocolate B, it was smooth and creamy, preferred the texture to taste to chocolate A. It was delicious, preferred this chocolate over chocolate A. My discoveries. Participant clearly preferred chocolate B. Since participant favored chocolate B, this would be the better chocolate to choose for stress coping techniques. Conclusion. This experiment addressed the idea that chocolate can be used for stress reduction in nursing students. By comparing two types of chocolate, it was discovered chocolate B was preferred by participant. Therefore, during stressful situations, chocolate B should be chosen to provide the most stress relief mechanism of the two.